Hi there guys, Will here from WB Trading. Now, trust me on this, if you're a trader who doesn't have this, genuinely, I cannot stress this enough, you're really going to struggle to trade profitably. If you watch until the end of this video, I can almost guarantee you that you're about to change your trading results completely. I really believe that doing what I'm about to share with you can have that much of an impact, and I know how backwards this will sound, but honestly, if you want to really experience growth as a trader and see your account balance finally head upwards rather than downwards, I'd encourage you to try as hard as you can to become indifferent towards the money in your trading account, and more importantly, to put the focus on process. Now, most of you will know that I trade using mechanical strategies, but if you're new to the channel, a mechanical strategy means we follow a set of rules that tells us when to get into a trade, when to get out, and by the way, if you're interested in the strategies I trade, you can watch me trading them live here on the channel. Just have a click around and watch a few of the videos. But within my own trading, a key moment stands out as one that I'll always recommend to traders who aren't profitable yet, and it's this. When you have at least one strategy that you know is statistically proven to provide edge, begin an experiment and just let that edge play out. So what I mean is, instead of beginning your trading day, let's say by thinking, I'm going to make X amount of money today, instead think, look, whatever happens today, I'll get in where I'm supposed to and I'll get out where I'm supposed to, and let's see what the financial outcome is. You know, no judgments, no emotion, no second guessing, and no focus on money whatsoever, just process only. And in most cases, this actually results in the money coming in. So the very thing you've wanted all along, to make money, tends to finally happen when you follow a proven process rather than winging it, strategy jumping, and so on. Now, for me, doing the above changed my trading, because putting a process in place means you remove the emotion, you remove the guessing and the predicting, because when you have rules in place, you can't mess up. It stops you making the mistakes that hold so many traders back. You know, most traders aren't sure where to get in or out of trades, for example. Having a process in place solves that problem. Most traders can't manage their emotions, for example, and again, having a process in place solves that problem, and on and on. Putting a process in place and trading a mechanical strategy hasn't just changed my own trading, it's helped quite a few of the traders who I've worked with and who have learned my strategies too. So Nick, for example, learned my strategies, traded them with consistency and focus, and he actually grew his account by 11% with not a single losing trade in his first week, which is rare. That's very rare, don't get me wrong. God knows we have losing trades, we all do. But it just goes to show, you know, putting a process in place does lead to results. Chris learned my strategies. He traded them with consistency and focus again, and he banked 30R by the pound strategy and 782 points by the DAX strategy in a single month last year. Matt learned my strategies, traded them with consistency and focus yet again, and he actually ended up banking above £10,000 on a single USD JPY short via the D1 swing strategy, which, you know, that is a life-changing amount of money, isn't it? Now, most of you will have read through all of the feedback and the testimonials over at my website now from all of the traders who've learned my strategies and finally achieved profitability by using them, so I won't share any more examples, but again, all they've done to succeed is to put a proven process in place, follow it, and the results really do take care of themselves in most cases. I've even had a handful of traders now finally quit the rat race and begin trading full-time too, which is brilliant. So if you are still struggling, or worse, you're consistently losing money, here's what I'd suggest that you do. Do this and it might just change your trading. So get your hands on a strategy that is statistically proven to provide a source of edge. It's just absolutely crucial, because without edge, you're throwing money down the drain. When you have a strategy that provides edge, and I know this is difficult, but try to forget about the money itself. Put the focus on process. That's really important. When you've ticked those two boxes, trade the edge, focus on process, and honestly guys, you'll more than likely begin to see your account grow, and hopefully you'll be emailing me in a few weeks' time, thanking me, and I'll be adding your feedback to my website. If you do have any questions, please do feel free to leave a comment below this video and I'll come straight back to you, or of course you can drop me an email if you need to. And if you're saying to yourself, Will, what is edge? I don't get it, what does it mean? head over to my website, wbtrading.co.uk, click on the tips and techniques page, and I've written an article that covers the subject in detail. It's on there, it's completely free. Go and have a read through, and by the end of that, you're going to know exactly what edges, you're going to understand probabilities, and it's really going to help your trading. So that's all from me. Good luck with your trading going forward, guys. Thanks again for joining me here on the YouTube channel today. Much appreciated. Please do subscribe and hit that like button if you've enjoyed the video, which I hope you have. And I look forward to having you back here again soon. Thanks, guys.